this morning. So we have our morning update, so you can see the severe weather. So they did add a 10 sig tornado risk today, and I'm gonna have that as my new video cover as we speak. So now the enhanced risk includes Woodward, Tulsa. So this looks even more significant now. So let's read the discussion. So now we have the potential for EF2 plus intensity tornado probe. So this could be very bad. So severe weather, derecho, and tornado outbreak has been issued for today. So we got to watch out for this significant event. Okay, Wichita Falls, now it's in Springfield. So the enhanced risk is extended into Joplin, Tulsa, Oklahoma. So that moderate risk is really near Oklahoma now, but I say a high risk could be added soon. So the moderate risk was remained. The taste of fried chicken, mashed potato mountains, filled with gravy fountains. You always make me feel like a winner. Is everyone on mute? So, this is what you got to watch out for. So we got a whole bunch of more people in the moderate risk now. So we're gonna have to watch out for that area. Let's go to the COD weather models. This video will be the same amount of time. So like I said, let's choose this whole frame. Sorry to disappoint you, but my little doodad worked just fine. The car is unlocked and I like, so it looks like no pulse. There's nothing now. This is what. So that's what it's still showing a potential for significant tornado. Like I said, he added a 10 sig for tornadoes, and this is what it's this is what it's showing now. So you can see this whole zone actually got. Let's check out the HRR. So there's that significant tornado parameters, guys, and everything you got to watch out for all of this area right here. I'm tired, but and you know what? I did this update because I wanted to, because I want to cover the video. You can see, so a significant severe weather outbreak is about to happen today. Strong tornadoes, damaging winds, and large hail. Significant winds, in fact. Okay, the significant tornado parameter is not there. So this is, I checked out something. This is what's going to spawn up storms. You can see those storms, okay? See these little dots ahead of it? Them could be supercells, like discrete supercells. But look what it's shown. That's where you can see the most concerning tornado threat. This is the reason why they increased it to a 10% chance. But I wouldn't be surprised if they would add a 15% risk by the next outlook. So that's what. So the next outlook probably won't come out till 13 hours. That's 9 o'clock. So that means I'll have another update at 9 o'clock before I go to church. So you can see this is my 97 videos. Subscribe right now. Stay weather aware. This is very bad, okay? I know my voice don't sound too convincing, but it's a morning. The soundings are picking up on it. Let's check out the rapid refresh model. But it's still not as high as the. It's still showing it. Look, right down in there. It's size of 23. It's still showing it, guys. And it's Sunday. So today is the day of the significant severe weather outbreak. So you guys need to watch out. So if you're in the green, you're in a level 1. If you're in the yellow, you're in a level 2. If you're in the red, a level 3 out of 5. If you're in the red, you're a level 4. Eventually, we can see a level 5. But I will be posting this on my Instagram sooner or later. And this is what we have to watch out for, guys, okay? Let's check out the. So this is what. So the cape is going to definitely increase throughout the morning. Okay, this is Sunday, early Sunday. What about your whole I hate secrets thing? What about it? I do hate secrets. That's the cape levels are expected to increase. Okay, let's check out. So the Cape is expected to reach at 14, 15, 20,000 joules per kilogram in this situation. So this is why we got to watch out the supercell complex. Like it's going to add up. So this here's the HRRR model, you can see, but this is the rapid refresh, and it's still showing as significant, but it's not showing as high as this area here. You can see it's all of them combined. You got 20, okay, 23. Well, I'm surprised there ain't no 24, so that's a good thing that there's not a 24, but it's still pretty bad, if you ask me. Okay, still pretty bad. And I wish I could get this to 15 minutes. So it's what's going to be happening. It's going to be a 15-minute video. So my new video is out now from yesterday. And I'll just upload it. I'm going to upload this one too. It's going to be long. Like the other one, like 15:45, I think. Same amount of time. So it's 6 minutes here. Okay, this is what it's showing. So I'm not tired, so you can see this whole zone right here as we speak. So you can see it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. This could be very, very, very bad. So I know people don't post, but I don't have nothing better to do. But this helps me keep consistency for the channel. If I could do a couple videos today, I'll be consistency all along. So this is definitely consistency for me, guys. A whole bunch of consistency. So you can see these areas that we've got to watch out for that severe weather. So, like I said, we're going to actually use this as a thumbnail, if I can do it. This is definitely going to be the new thumbnail, okay? That's going to be the new thumbnail for you guys today, okay? That will be it. I'm making sure this is the thumbnail, too, because I like the thumbnail from yesterday, and I'm going to have the thumbnail again today for you guys, okay? Today will be the Outlook thumbnail again. So that's what the thumbnail is going to be. This ain't going to be the thumbnail. I like it, but I like this a lot. Okay, I really, really like it a lot. Okay, that is the thumbnail for today. The cities are also in the thumbnail. Okay, that's probably not going to be what you want to see, but the cities are definitely not going to be in the thumbnail. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. So that is an update for you guys this morning. At 1 o'clock this morning here at 1:30. So like it says that the tornado threat has increased. So that is that risk for today, and that's what we got.
So now the Mercs have KG and the nerve gas, and we have no idea where they are.
So you can see the model refresh model here. That's highs of 23, guys. It's a struggle. So, okay. Sorry, guys. So we're gonna go into the
New Cocoa Radiant, 90% more moisture from our one-of-a-kind skin. There's no other skin out.
All right, let's go to this. So we're gonna go to the south central U.S. again, and we're gonna monitor these storms on the radar. Let's track them. There's those storms. Okay, it's still showing that potential storm risk here, but that's what the risk is showing for today. And made you guys subscribe to the channel and and everything like that. So yeah, I've not been sleeping a while last tonight, but I'm happy because I'm gonna go back to sleep here after I do this video. So I am doing this 15-minute video for real, guys. I'm doing it for real, guys. Lord, just give it to me. So, as we speak, all modes of severe weather are likely. Strong tornadoes, damaging winds, significant, and large hail. But tornadoes and wind are the greatest threats today. This is the reason why, okay? There's a lot of energy in the atmosphere for these supercells, but they're still showing this line of storms. But I think that as we get closer and closer to this event, we'll know more, and we're going to continue to know more about this event, okay? That is exactly what we are here to do, is know more about the situation and get more deep in depth. I went deep in depth yesterday, and I'm going to go deep in depth around 9 o'clock again, so. So like I said, this is definitely what we want to see. So like I said, the moderate risk today actually includes Fort Still. So it's still, where is it, Clinton? Yeah, it still includes Clinton. But look at it. Oh, what? What? Okay, guys, it includes parts of Texas. I didn't see that either. So Texas too. Vermin, Texas, guys. Yep, we got a little sliver of Texas in the moderate risk. Yep, here we go. It's going to be a large day for Texas now. Okay, Texas and Oklahoma. I can see why. This is a classic. I'm telling you guys right now, this is a very classic Tornado Alley like event. Okay, very classic. So, like I said, a significant severe weather outbreak is about to happen. Strong tornadoes, large hail, damaging winds, and flash flooding can't be ruled out either. And that's what I'm trying to tell you guys right now, that flash flooding cannot be ruled out at this situation. And everything like that. So this is how we get everything together, and this is what we gotta watch out for. You can see this significant area. So that's what I'm saying. This threat now includes Texas, okay? Fort Still, Oklahoma. Oklahoma City is still in the enhanced risk. But I think that is I think it's going to change. I really do. I don't know yet, but I just think it's going to get extended to Oklahoma. It hasn't happened yet, but I still see it happening. I'll tell you why. Okay, the wind, significant winds. Okay, Oklahoma, yes, you need to be in a moderate risk. You have in a moderate risk, so you got to watch out for the severe weather. So this is what it's looking like as we speak. You can see the cities off of here. So the Storm Prediction Center has issued a 4 out of 5 on the storm severe weather scale. So a level 1 is a marginal risk. A level 2 is a slight risk. A level 3. So if you're in a level 1, you're in a marginal risk. If you're in the level 2 area, you're in the slight risk. That means you have scattered severe storms. If you're in the enhanced, you have numerous severe storms, but if you're in a moderate risk, you have widespread severe storms. And in higher risk, you have really widespread severe storms. So that's how I'm describing it. So we got 3 categories today. We got marginal, 4 categories. General, marginal. Okay, wait. General, marginal, and slight. Okay, that's what we have right here. So general, marginal, slight, enhanced, moderate. That's what we got today. We got all 4 categories. Imagine if we had all 5 categories. All 5 categories, but we don't. So I don't think that's going to happen unless things really ramp up. And they've been ramping up the last 2 days. Okay, you can see it strengthens. See, oh wow, it's not even coming up now. Still. But see how it comes up? There's that narrow window where that 10% goes into effect. Okay, that's what happens. This tornado risk is definitely has, you know, like I said, I knew they were going to increase the tornado risk, because I'll tell you why.
Yeah, I kind of got myself that. That's very impressive, but there's the can of Mountain Dew. You haven't. At least that's what the mode.
So the strong, it's like they said, all modes are now in effect. Okay, like Kansas, like Wichita, like Garden City are still in the marginal risk, but what? Are you kidding me, man? Wichita's getting in an enhanced risk now? They're almost there. Oh boy. That's pretty bad. At almost Wichita, like when yeah, you're between the edge of the enhanced risk, you're like, oh boy. You're in a significant area now, guys. Wichita, Kansas, you're now included in that significant wind risk. Oh, boy. More people impacted. More people. This risk just got bigger. Okay, this is bad news. This is really bad news. I didn't realize that until, like, what? Are you kidding me? Yes, I'm not lying. And now the significant hatch risk now includes Wichita, Kansas, Springfield, Missouri. Oh, brother. No. It includes you guys. Oh, boy. Joplin. Boy. Here we go, kids. It's going to be a long day. So this event has become even more significant now. It just did it, guys. It really freaking did it, okay? It has become more significant now. And everything like that, so.
This has to be against the rules. You and I both know that in this game there are no rules.
You can see these areas.
Don't do this. Tell me your code word and I won't. No living no choice. I don't want to play the rest.
You can see this area right in here, okay?
But I will if you don't give me your code.
There.